Hi guys, if you are getting this loading chunk failed error in Discord, then here is the fix. So the very first fix is, first of all, close the Discord and just search Task Manager, and when it opens up, you have to locate all Discord related processes, right click on it and just end task. Okay. Now once you're sure that there is no Discord running, you can search it also here, Discord. Now no Discord is running. Now what you have to do, open Discord again and your problem will be fixed. Now if this is also not working, then what you can do, you can just close the Discord and again go to the Task Manager, and if there is any Discord here, right click and end task, and now right click on the start button, click on run, type %app data %, okay, and click on OK. Now locate Discord here and now delete it. Now right click and click on run, and then type %local app data %, and click on OK. If you find Discord here, delete it also. Once you have deleted both these folders, now install the Discord again by downloading it on your computer, and your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.